Was it? Dude, see, like, they could have had the model kick Gopta. Like, why the fuck didn't they show it? Hey, we're back with some fucking Isekai Chronicles. Shit! I wonder what type of... Like, I feel like it wouldn't be that much of a difference, even if you land in the spot. Dodge! Spear up! Oh my god, he's in the air. He's coming. That burst. Oh, that burst coming. Gives us. Guy. Oh, come on, he's fucking dead. Up. Wait. I think that means the boss, so I'm not going over there yet. Got the. You're up, fucker. Yeah, that probably moves me towards them. Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Oh, fucking more coming, what the hell? Come on, wolf. Oh! Oh, fuck. Yep. Depending on the other mechanics, like the town shit, I could see this like being pretty tame. Pretty chill. We still need to see Ranga's ult. His secret technique. I thought it was a fucking path down there. Whoa! Where the fuck are these shits in the anime? Physical attacks and spirit attacks, they're marked by the icon. Deal damage by attack at the events. There's spirit attacks marked. Deal damage based on, yeah, that makes sense. Oh. There are 8 of them. Like a typical motherfucking gacha. I'm not getting hit. Fuck you. I'm ulting. No way. What the fuck was that? Why did they do that at Ranga? Oh my god, fuck combos. That's kind of fucked up they did that though. They gave him a fucking PNG. That shit might be from the mobile game, I'm not gonna lie. That shit might be from the mobile game, I don't know, but that's kind of fucked up. Why they had to do him like that? Oh, that could be enhanced. But is that menu gonna pop up every fucking time? Every time something is available? Who knows? Remove is fucking attack based. I can't do anything else shit. See, wouldn't it be cool in a custom game if, you know, if we got to make our own character, maybe we were a slime or some other monster, and then fucking, we got our own little fucking bullshit going. No matter what, I'm always gonna fucking vouch for custom character games, man. Need more of them, especially in fucking anime. What the hell? Favor? Favor? I can't talk. Go hear what he has to say. You can now build. Hell yeah. Construct buildings using the items collected. You can build on vacant land. This is just like the mobile game. Note that there are some buildings which can only be built on specific plots of land. New building. Palm leaf hut. Oh yeah, hell yeah, another achievement. Can we go inside? Probably not. Side quests don't affect your progress. Progress the stories of Tempest residents. On expedition in the main quest, recommended area, side quest items will not appear. New side quests. This place is crazy. Okay. So, yeah, it's like a build mode. Oh, use this facility. Oh, I guess using them upgrades them? Or you get like certain benefits or some shit? Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Oh, wait. Does using it give me that stat? Because it's +5 fucking as special defense and luck. So maybe? I guess we'll see. It's fucking hot in my room right now.
実は快適に昼寝をしたいんだが、なるほど。では、このリグルドがうちわで仰ぎましょう。いや、お前がしんどいだろ。いいよ、いいよ。私のことをそれほど思って、なんと身に余る光栄。
Calm down.
一人でのんびり涼みたいだけなんだけどな。けど、うちわは明暗だな。直ちにお持ちします。いや、せっかくなら扇風機を作ろう。扇風機だ。扇風機ってのはな。
Fucking mechanical fan.
というものだ。なんと自動で風が。ああ、そいつを作る。となると。羽になりそうな素材や風の効果を高める素材が欲しいな。リグルド、何か心当たりはないか？今の要望ですと、西の森で採れる異世界の鳥。おお、よく知ってるな。このリグルド、リムル様のためならどんなことでもお調べいた。また熱くなった気がするな。よし、そいつを集めに行くか。西の森で採れる異世界の鳥の羽だったな。
So special little fucking fetch quest. Grad changes have been made to your party. So I have to. Wait, who do I have to fucking go with? Do I have to go with all of them? Maybe, I don't fucking know. It's the only people I have. Oh my god, he's catching up. Haha. Ah, fuck. Fucking dead. Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Bitch. Oh, and it showed. I'm not gonna lie, this point's there. It fucking shows up on the thing. If that's what you're looking for. Look at that, they're fucking melting. Oh my god, game Gorilla is good.
標的を発見しました。
Bird. Dodge.
アイシクルスピ
総攻撃を仕掛ける。警備隊全員突撃せよ。ゴブリンズウォー。
Fucking all that shit. Just fighting in the fucking smoke like a goddamn Looney Tunes episode. Get up, pussy. Freeze him. Okay, then get up. Freeze him again. Haha.
ふむふむ、結構調子いいな。よし、十分そうな数を揃えたぞ。だけんじゃこの材料で風を生み出す道具は作れるか？
Why yes?
これらの素材に刻印魔法を施せば生成可能です。
おお、じゃあ早速扇風機を作ってみる。
Actually, now I think about it, are we gonna go through the original story? Cause it seems like, well, most of this shit is like side shit, side tutorial shit, but we'll see.
これを見たらリグルドのやつ驚くぞ。
国、新たな目標。
気合い入れていくか、リバル様。
Can't talk to him, brother. What the fuck?
リグルド、とうとうできたぞ。
The hell is this?
さすがはリムル様。
お前が教えてくれた材料の成果を見るとするか。では行くぞ。ポチッとな。うわー、風の威力が。
おお、これは素晴らしい。
どこがだよ。こんなの家の中で使えないじゃん。威力が強すぎる。完全な失敗作だな。すまん、リグルド。これはいらないから。
See, they're already cutting corners. They could have shut the wind, the fucking fan on or some
普通の
shit.
扇風機を作ってくる。
かしこまりました。
They could have turned that bitch on and had it
それ
blowing.
にしてもこの扇風機、少し改良すれば。
こうし
A
て
weapon.
何の役にも立たない扇風機、もとい暴風機だった後の改良により立派にリグルドの愛用武器になるのだった。
目標を達成しました。
よーし、目標達
国、目標を達成しました。
成。よーし、目標
What
達
does
成。
that give me? Bond levels?
リグルド、扇風機は処分しなかったのか？あんな暴風が出るようじゃ使い道ないじゃん。
何をおっしゃいます。このリグルド、リムル様がお作りになったものを処分など。この扇風機、リムル様のために有効活用してみせます。
Hmm. At least they did something to have them fucking pose.
国、新たな目標が発生しました。
Oh, yeah. It's kind of crazy. Pretty much they skipped to Shizu's shit and just jumped straight to those.
気合い入れていくか。
国、
Dude, that is crazy. Even wait, well, we'll see if he's support or not. Okay, he's support. I was gonna say, because I was gonna say even the mobile game has Rigurd as a fighter. This motherfucker has not fought once in the damn show.
リムル様。
So
リムル
I think that's it.
能力の上昇率を開示します。
出発
Let's
だ。
get the fuck out. I know I gotta fucking. I was just checking the fucking. Oh, his missions for the places. Okay, okay.
国
Turn the base.
戻ったぞ
I thought Rigurd was a fucking fighter. I was gonna because he in the mobile game he was a fucking character way before Rigurd, and he was fighting. He wasn't just support. What the fuck? But they got him in the right role to something.
村の現状を報告します。
Oh, what the fuck? 30 minutes later. It's kind of cool.
報告は以上であります。
あ、問題ない。ご苦労さん。
I'm not gonna lie, I thought that was gonna cut away though to something else.
それと今日もお食事は必要な。
ああ、どうせスライムの体じゃ。そうだよ、なんで忘れてたんだ。スライムの体は思ったより便利で、食事、排泄、睡眠が不要だったが、とスライムの身にすっかり慣れてしまってた。リガルド！今日から俺も一緒に飯を食べることに。
では今夜は宴会ですな。
頼んだぞ。
ほっ。
人に擬態できるようになったんだから、美味しいご飯食べまくってやる。メニューは何だろう。
肉といえば南の出入り口に。
I wonder if I should skip this because fucking this is a part of the show. Again, at least they did something. At least it's not all, you know, cutouts. At least they did something with the models.
いたいた。食料調達に行くんだってな。
リムル様、我々はこれから森へ向かうところです。
I'm not gonna lie, they could have like got rid of this box shit. And they could have just had the models move and talk, and try to be expressive with them. But in that video I saw, fucking nowadays they don't give a fuck about expression shit. They want a quick buck. If they're stiff, they don't give a fuck.
今夜は宴会の予定だ。美味しそうな獲物を頼むよ。
今日はリブル様も食べるんすか？
おうよ。なんせこの体には味覚があるからな。
おお、いっぱい食べたらおっぱいも育つ。
Was it? Dude, see, like they could have had the model kick Gopta. Like, why the fuck didn't they show it?
小豚にはきっちりと教育しておきますので、特上のウジカをご用意いたしましょう。
They could have just had the model kick Gopta away. Like, why is that so hard?
頼むな。
I don't understand.
私も一緒に参ります。宴会の準備は指示を出してきましたので、この手でリムル様のごちそうを手に入れて
最近は森の奥から移動してくる魔獣が多いので、獲物は豊富なんです。
何かあったのか？
いえ、魔獣は環境の変化などで移動したりしますから大したことはないと思うのですが、警備体制は強化しております。
This game is kind of proving
それなら
that fact. They don't want to put in too much fucking effort.
お呼びですか、我が主。
リグルたちと森に同行してくれ。何もないと思うけど。
心得ました。お任せください。遠慮はいらぬ。我を連れて行け。
感謝する、ランガ殿。
Yeah, why is Rigurd going? He didn't fucking go before.
さて、リグルたちがウジカを取ってくるまでにシズさんから受け継いだユニークスキル、その効果を試したい。エルドラが封印されていたと。
The Seal Cave, oh my god. There's already 8 Veldora.
受ける印象はともかく、彼女の思いが込められた大事な能力だ。その能力とは統合と分離。さまざまなスキルを統合し、新しいスキルへと進化させ、つまりは新しい能力がポンポンと書く。その一つがこれ。えげつない。
From the anime.
何これ、怖っ。
Cuts or fucking like, cut out or fucking
国
copy and paste.
エクストラスキル黒煙です。
知ってるよ。これは使いどころを考えないと。黒煙はいざという時に取っておくか。イフリートの捕食で炎関連のスキルは習得できてるようだし、黒煙以外の現実的に使えそうな技もフレアサークル。火力も使いやすさも申し分なさそうだ。大賢者、あたりに魔物はいない。
国 大量の魔物を洞窟内に検知しました。
大量の魔物。これは相手には困らなさ。
国
I
国
was about to say, what the fuck was what just happened? Got flare circle. Whoa, my god. Hey, we'll do all that next time. Bye.